Hello guys, this is Quack. Today I prepared the GRE Quantitative 18th questions, and the category is a numeric entry, and the specific theme is fraction and percentage. Today's concept is not that difficult, and I don't think the calculation is also difficult. So as always, I will give you 3 minutes, then pause the video by yourself and solve it on a sheet of paper slowly instead of using only your brain. Let's get it, guys. Then, let's read a question once again slowly together and underline or circle very important factors. Trace made a profit of $9 on the sale of a t-shirt that cost the merchant $15. The merchant is a Trace. What is the profit expressed as a percent of the merchant's cost? Give your answer to the nearest whole percent. First of all, what we have to remember is we have to represent the answer as the whole percent. And then they are asking us to get the profit. And Trace, in other words, the merchant's profit is $9 and t-shirt cost is $15. So from the factor, we can think about the formulation, our own formulation. First of all, there could be the total price, which means literally the t-shirt price. And then we can also think about a profit. Which means, $9. Which means the profit that Trace made. So numerator could be $9, denominator could be $15. In that case, we can get the answer 0.6. But is it correct answer? No, because finally what we have to think about is the measurement, as we slightly talked about before. So right now is a 0.6, but we have to convert the measurement to percentage. So it could be 60%, and 60% is the correct answer. Also, guys, in this point, our answer was finished like just a 60. But we have to think about why the question asks us to get the nearest whole percent. Because such as, if you get the answer such as 60.33333%, in that case, the nearest whole percent means 60.3%. Because 3 is repetitive. Does it make sense? In that case, we can just represent as a 60.3. So that means the nearest whole percent. Very good, guys, so far. So to encourage you guys to understand these types of question, I made another question. I adapted a question from the number 1. So like previously, I will give you 3 minutes and try to get the answer on your sheet of paper, please. Okay, number 2. Trace made a profit of $5 in this situation, so it's not a $9. And a loss of $2, just in case, let's circle or underline. $5 profit, loss of $2 on the sale of a t-shirt that cost a merchant $15. So this one, this factor should be total price. What is the profit expressed as a percent of the merchant's cost? Give your answer to the nearest whole percent. Hey, it's pretty easy, isn't it? Hey, Mr. Kwok is pretty easy because, as you slightly talked about before, denominator could be total price. Numerator should be profit. Oh, it's pretty easy. In that case, I'm going to put $5 here. And then for denominator, I'm going to put $15 Kwok. Then, like the 33.3%. Is that correct? No. Because that's why we have to be careful when we get the numeric entry question, because there are no choices. So when we read a question, if we misunderstand like a minor things, our answer could be incorrect directly. So guys, the profit is important because in this question, Trace also had a loss. Not only a profit, but also a loss. So we have to think about a loss. So what we have to get from the question is the net profit. In that case, 5 minus 2. So the profit should be $3 instead of $5. So I'm going to rewrite these numbers again here, over here. 3 out of $15. And then we have to multiply by 100 because we have to convert the measure to percent. So reduce like this way, reduce again. In that case, the answer should be 20%. And we can put number 20 inside of the rectangle. So that's it. It's very important. So guys, from the thumbnail or from the question, the important factor from this question is how we can calculate or how we can make a formulation of fraction and the percent. However, guys, the more important that I want to emphasize right now is the net profit. So net profit. So by using a net profit, we can encounter a wide variety of questions. And then it's going to be really beneficial for you guys to understand the net profit. If we have more chance, we will encounter and then we will more practice about it. So guys, thank you very much for listening to my class today. And if you have some more chance, please try to review by yourself about a fraction, percentage, and the net profit. It's going to be really beneficial. And please click the subscription and like and alarm button because it's going to be really beneficial for me to make the next video as an intrinsic motivation. And should you have any further questions, please let me know later anytime, and I really appreciate it. Have a nice day and see you next class.